Hi Poonam, how are you doing?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, yeah, I'm also doing good, thank you. So Poonam, let's go ahead and start with the discussion for today. Okay. So Poonam, I hope that you must be aware of the story of Aladdin. Am I right? Aladdin, and yeah, yeah, there was a
Uh,
man. He used to rub the magic lamp. The genie used to come out and fulfill his wishes. Yeah.
yeah, but
Okay.
I don't know much about that
No, we
story.
don't
I
have to go
know.
into the details of the story.
Okay.
Just you have to imagine that you have that magic lamp now,
Oh,
okay? And you can ask three wishes from that magic lamp. So, what will be those three wishes that you would like to ask? You have to go ahead and think about it. Which three wishes would you like to ask the lamp? Please go ahead.
first of all, uh, I want good communication.
Okay.
So that will I will ask. Um,
Second one.
Otherwise, all okay in my life. I think so.
Okay, absolutely. That's very nice to hear, Poonam. It is not that if everything is okay, that means we can't ask for anything. We still have desires. Yeah.
Okay.
So anything you can ask, even if it is good, something for yourself, something for society, something for the world, something for the country, anything you can
Okay.
ask that
Okay.
genie.
Okay.
Yes.
First of all, I'll ask about my communication. Then I want to travel the world,
Okay.
uh, and I would like to travel the world.
Mhm.
Then I'll ask to ban the plastic.
Okay. I do understand. Okay. So let's talk about one by one about these wishes. Good communication skills. Why and how good communication skills will help you? Why is this one of your wishes?
Because with the communication skills, I need to only learn technical skills, and I can grow in any part.
Okay.
If I in IT sector there are so many parts. So one side is technical and one side is management. So I can go in the management side as well if I have leadership quality and uh,
Mhm.
like
Managerial qualities.
yeah management qualities.
Yeah, or you can say managerial.
Okay,
Managerial.
managerial quality. Okay, managerial quality. So yeah, that's why I want to
Possess good
want good
communication
communication.
skills.
Yeah.
Okay, so that will enhance or that will widen your career horizon. That's the
Yeah.
thing. Yes. Okay. So you want to improve your communication skills only from the perspective of your professional front, or do you think that good communication skills will anyway help you in your personal life, your day-to-day routine? What do you think, Poonam?
For about English language, I don't need in day to day life.
Of course.
This is only for for
Front.
professionalism. Yeah,
Yeah.
professional front.
Yes.
Um, and for world tour as well, I don't need communication much.
Mhm.
Okay, if I join if I go with any
Guide,
what is the
tourist guide.
tourist guide, so I can manage that thing as well. But for a technical side, if I see, then I need communication.
So that means major focus is the communication skill will help you on the professional part of your life.
Yes,
Yes.
only
Okay.
professional. Yeah.
Okay, understood. Moving ahead to the second wish, Poonam, you mentioned travel the world. Why exactly the reason behind this particular wish? Why would you like to travel around the globe, around the world? Please share something.
We can meet the new people. We can learn their culture, and we can learn from how they are living, what they eating, and uh, yeah, I would like to see their culture and how they are living their day to day life. Sometime our day to day life is different from other countries,
True.
and their perspective is totally different. So
Yeah,
watch on YouTube as well.
correct. True.
So yeah, that's why.
Okay. Yeah, Poonam, I do agree with you. Whenever anybody wants to travel around the world and I ask them that why you want to travel, always a very cliche answer comes to me that I want to know about culture. I want to know about how they live. But what is their culture, how they live, what is their perspective? Knowing all of this, how will it help? At the end of the day, we need to come back to our country. Until and
Yes,
unless we are settling there, knowing about their culture, knowing about their perspective, how will that help you? Or what's the real purpose of gaining and attaining this, acquiring this knowledge?
but we can change our
Mhm.
perspective in terms of living. So
Okay.
uh, and if we improve our day to day life, yeah, we can improve our world with the
Okay.
like we are facing environment issues nowadays. So with those, we can improve our environment because they have good garden, individual garden they have.
Mhm. Yes.
But in our country, that that
That
that
facility and that rule is not there.
yeah, that rule is not there, and
Yes.
they have infection committee as well. So
Yes.
you are um, cleaning your house and all,
Mhm.
or they have good education as well.
True.
Um, they have committee for you are taking care of your baby or not.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. And other than in working culture, they have more priority for if you are doing work, if you do work from home, then if your baby is crying, so in and you are in meeting, so they told us just attend your baby, not meeting. Their priority is different.
Okay, got
Yeah,
it.
so this kind of things we can improve in our culture, not in
Culture,
our country as well.
country,
uh,
society.
yeah, society, yeah, they have bad side as well in their
True.
country, but we are taking bad side only
Okay.
nowadays. In current situation, we see we are partying, we are what,
Spending much more
clubbing,
than our pocket.
yeah, spending so much, but we are not taking good things, so we should take the good things as well.
Okay, so that means we should be wise enough to understand and to be selective which one to
Yes,
pick and which one to reject.
which one? Yes.
Yes, yeah, that's the beauty of a wise person. Okay, nice. So, do you know about anything related to any other culture apart from Indian culture, any other country's culture, technique, any little knowledge that you have that you would like to share with me? In case you have come across any such thing on YouTube that how their culture is different from our culture, anything.
Yeah, that I already shared the so much points, but one point
Okay,
I have left. So I have seen there after marriage they are not they don't stay together,
correct.
like parent and son and
Daughter-in-law.
daughter-in-law.
Uh-huh.
So they don't stay together. They stay in different apartment
Houses. Yeah,
houses, and after 18 years, I think so, they
they their parents.
sorry,
They leave their parents.
yeah, they leave their parents, and of course they have freedom as well.
Okay.
Yeah, but yeah, of course we are also improving day by day. It will take time, I think so. Our next to next generation will not stay with us.
Okay, so you believe that much of Western culture impact will be there? Yeah,
Yes, yes.
yeah.
Now
Like similar, yeah.
impacting
Please.
as well as also.
Yes, correct.
Yeah, our kids watching you on social media, they are inculcating. They are inculcating the Western culture, and parents as well.
Parents as well. True. They are also becoming more and more liberal.
Yeah.
Yeah, correct. Like generally, Japanese are the ones who are alive for the longest years. They're like
Mhm.
they live long. So everybody is quite excited and fascinated to know about their lifestyle, that how they are able to
Yeah.
have such a life, such a long lifespan. So these are the few things that definitely excites us. And when we will visit to such places, we will get a clarity about it.
Yeah,
Yes.
I bought that Ikigai
Okay. Okay. Book.
book, but I didn't start yet.
Okay, please give it a try and do share with me how was your experience. I haven't read it, but I've heard many summaries about it. Do let me know
Yeah.
how's your
Mhm.
experience.
Sure.
Okay, then ban plastic. Of course, I think we have talked a lot about it. You are a person
Yes.
who believes in sustainability, and that's why you believe something should happen so that plastic is a no, a big no. Yes. Okay, fine. So, like in Aladdin's story, there was a genie who used to fulfill all his wishes. In our real life, also, Poonam, there is somebody who we can call as the genie of our life. It can be anyone, mom, dad, husband, anybody can be the genie of our life. So, according to you, in your life, who is the genie? The genie of your life.
I think so, mom only.
Okay, why?
And there are some more people like sister, brother, and my family is quite good. Not quite, it's good. My
Okay,
husband as well, as well.
correct. Very nice to know that. So, why do you consider your family to be the genie of your life? What's the reason behind it?
Because they don't they didn't mm, what
They don't judge you. Is that what you're trying to say?
uh, no, judging is other part. Of course, family will not judge us. Our close one will not judge us. But they, if I want to do something for myself or anything, means like a skill. If I want to
Yes.
learn anything,
Yeah.
so they don't push me back.
Pull me back. We push
Pull,
forward, we pull
okay,
back.
okay, pull me back. So don't
Yeah.
do this. It's a wastage of money. So they don't pull me back in any like
Scenario.
I'm in any scenario. Like I'm nowadays as well. I'm attending the online session, like a paid session,
Yes,
and
yes.
technical course as well. Like I have good experience, but still I'm learning new things
Correct.
with the paid courses.
Courses. Yeah.
So they don't pull me back anytime.
They always support you. That's why
Yeah,
you are calling them to be the genie of your life. Yeah.
yes, yes.
Okay. Fine. Now, are you the genie for anyone? Like, okay, your family is genie for you. You are the genie for somebody around you.
Yes, of course, I'm lucky for all of my
Oh my
family
God.
member because of my my destiny number. I'm
Okay.
lucky for others. I'm
Oh,
not
that's
lucky
nice.
for myself, but I'm lucky for others.
Oh wow, that's very nice. Okay.
Yeah.
Poonam, how does it feel when anybody considers us as a genie of their life or they find us very important for their life? How is the feeling? How is that emotion? What would you like to say?
Mm,
Is it a
one.
good feeling? Is it like a burden sometimes that there are so many expectations? How do you feel when anybody find you very important for in their lives?
Yeah, of course. It's sometimes it's a burden. Sometimes it's like a pleasure. We
Mhm.
can
Yeah,
say.
of course. Yeah.
But sometimes it's a burden because they accept expectation is high with us,
Hmm.
because all the time we are not in that mood that we
Yes.
can listen
Hmm.
others and
Hmm.
always
Hmm.
answer in
Hmm.
good manner.
Yeah.
So it sometimes it's like mm,
A burden as well.
burden as well. But yeah,
Okay.
all 90% we feel good because like we know, yeah, uh, that person know, yeah, I have
Somebody by my side.
somebody my side always.
Okay.
Yeah,
Always. So that support, moral support, is also
yeah,
extremely
moral support
important.
is important.
Okay.
That
So Poonam, yeah, Poonam, here you mentioned something very nice, and that is listening to somebody carefully.
mm,
Poonam, some people tell me it's very difficult to, it's very simple to give advice, it's very simple to give suggestions, but it's very difficult to listen anybody and not to answer. What do you think? Is it really difficult to listen others and it's easy to answer others? What do you think?
listening is very difficult because sometimes we don't want solution, and of course for all the problems we don't have solution,
Correct.
so we want only to speak, we want only to share that thing to other,
Hmm.
because in some scenario we can't give solution, we can't give advice
Hmm.
as well.
Correct.
So yeah, listening is important because sometimes uh, anything happen in the office, so in sister office, so she can tell me, yeah, Didi, this happened, that happened. I can't give any advice or I can do anything
Hmm.
for her
Her, yeah,
official for her
office
office.
or
But
office
yeah,
matters.
yeah, office matters. But yeah, listening is important.
Okay, she will feel better. She will feel light after sharing that with you.
Sharing,
Correct?
yes.
So she will feel light, that is for sure. But Poonam, is it difficult to keep listening to a particular person every single time? Sometimes a person is continuously speaking and we do not feel like listening. Does that happen with you?
Yes, of course. My this happened with my elder brother.
Okay, okay.
He always talk about same thing, same thing, same thing. But sometimes we scold him that don't talk. We are bored with your topics.
Okay.
Yeah, sometimes happen, but it depends on relationship as well. It's
Exactly.
yeah, and uh, we talk to each other like friends.
Of
We
course.
like
Yes.
we don't have much friends. We
Mhm.
don't share all the things to our friends. We share
Uh-huh.
with siblings only.
Correct. Absolutely. That's
Yeah,
very nice. So that means sometimes it is a little burden, but that depends on relationship also. Correct?
yeah, relationship and situation,
Yeah.
because we are not in good mood always. So it depends on mood as well.
Correct. Correct. Now, the Poonam, it is also considered if there is a person who is having patience to listen to you, that person is your biggest well wisher. Like if I have a person who is listening to me without judging, without answering, without giving any solution, that person I should consider to be my biggest well wisher. Does that
Yes.
make any sense to you or not?
No, like listening is not only important. You should
Okay.
give them advice or give them some
Solution.
solution.
Okay.
Sometimes sympathy as well we need for mental health.
Mhm. Correct.
Mm, yeah,
So you believe that listening alone is not okay. We need to give some solution. We need to give some advice and suggestion to better their situation.
yeah,
Yes.
better.
Okay.
Yes,
Understood the point. In today's time, it is difficult to find people to listen to us. Is it correct?
yes, yes.
Why? Is everybody in a rush or everybody is bored of listening? What's the problem? Why it's difficult?
They have their own problems. They have, and people judge very quickly nowadays,
Uh-huh.
and they
Yes.
spread your secrets to others, and
Yes.
they can ruin your mental health
Oh,
with those secrets, because
correct.
we just tell them with the trust, but they didn't.
Break the trust.
Yeah, they broke the your
They
trust.
break the trust. You will not say
Okay, they
broke,
break.
Poonam.
Okay,
Fact. Simple present tense. They break
okay,
our trust.
yeah,
Okay.
they break our
Fine.
trust.
Okay. Understood the point, Poonam. Very nicely discussed. And once again, I would like to appreciate, and that is you were very calm and composed throughout the conversation. You were
Mhm.
taking your time, making the sentences, putting your opinions. Looks like that, yeah, now it's not a burden for you to speak in English. You are becoming comfortable in the language. Yeah, a
Yeah.
few words I would like to
Nowadays,
discuss.
I don't have hesitation to think and making sentence.
Yes, that means you are okay, that I'll take time, I'll think, and then I'll put forward. Yes?
Yeah.
Yes, nice. Okay. Poonam, only few things I would like to share. You said professionalism. You were talking about English communication skills, that it will help you in professionalism. it will help you on the professional front. Professionalism is the way of behavior, that how we behave when we are in an office or a meeting. But professional front means that the professional part of our life, the professional aspect of our life. Okay, so you can say it will help me in my office, in my professional front, for my profession, for my career, but you cannot use professionalism because that's the way of behavior. Okay, after that, you were talking about world tour and you said what they eating. See,
Okay.
first of all, it is a fact that what they eat, like we Indians, what do North Indians eat, South Indians eat. So this is a regular thing. It's a fact. So the question should be in simple present tense: what they eat.
Okay.
What they eat. Because whenever we are making an interrogative sentence, that means a question tag. In case of a simple present tense, your WH will come first, then your subject will come, and then your verb first form will come. So what is the WH verb? They is the subject, and eat will be your verb. What they eat. Fine. After that, you said much points, many points. Not much points, many points. After that, you said they have a lot of expectation with us, from us. Okay, from us they expect a lot. After that, you told me that I do not share everything to my friends. No, with my friends. Because whenever there is something talking about togetherness, you will use the preposition with. Okay, so please be careful. Last, I will not say that's an error. It is just a better word that I can suggest you, that they spread our secrets. They don't really spread our secrets, they disclose our secrets. Ras khol dena. Okay, they disclose our secrets. Fine. So these are few things majorly with respect to much, many, and prepositions. So please be a little bit mindful about that. But the composure with which you are speaking, please maintain that. It's really good. Okay. Thank you, Poonam. See you in the next session. Bye bye. Take care.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.